This is one of my favorite dishes. It's egg curry that is inspired by South Indian flavors. Let's go and try this out. So my style of egg curry is inspired by South Indian flavors. Now, India, there are different variations, regional variations of egg curry. So in Bengal, there is a different style of making egg curry, maybe with mustard. In Delhi, you have a different style. In Kerala, you have a different style. What I've done is taken elements, and that reflects my kind of mixed culinary heritage, and I've created this egg curry dish for you. Here are the ingredients. I'm going to use some onions. These are 2 onions finely sliced. There are different ways you can use onions. You can either chop them coarsely, you can chop them really finely. Onions form the base of the gravy. So I want like a coarser, thicker gravy to my egg curry. So I've sliced the onions finely. The other thing to remember is the finer you slice the onion, finer you chop the onions, it takes lesser time to cook. So it cooks faster if you slice it finely. So I've got my onions here, I've got some ginger paste, I've got some garlic paste. So my masalas or spices that I'm using are mustard seeds, I've got some green cardamom, I've got some black pepper, and I've got some methi seeds, also called fenugreek seeds. Now, fenugreek seeds is a spice which is used in Indian cooking. You use it in North Indian cooking and also in the South Indian cooking in the Malabar coast. It's actually quite a hard, grainy, like little pebbles with a lovely mustardy, earthy color. It adds flavor to the curry or the dish. It's got a bittery taste, so one has to be careful how much you use it. If you use a lot, then it can add a bit of bitterness to the dish. So I'm going to use about half a teaspoon of methi seeds or fenugreek seeds. I have some curry leaves, I have some green chilies which I have slit in half, and then I've got eggs. You need to hard boil the eggs. So these are hard boiled eggs, cooled and then sliced in half. Coconut milk, of course, in an ideal world, I'd like to get the coconut and make the milk and extract the milk, but then one doesn't have the time. So I used canned coconut milk and then some vinegar. You can also use tamarind. So if you don't want to use vinegar, you can use tamarind, which is soaked in water, and then you can extract the pulp and actually squeeze the kind of the juice in the dish. And then I've got some chopped coriander leaves, which I will use to garnish at the end. here I have my yummy egg curry. I can smell the coconut, I can smell the curry leaves. Can't wait for you to try it. I hope you enjoy it because this is a regular in Radikal Kitchen. Please like, please subscribe, please share. See you next week.